Cloth brushes work best with low to mid poly density meshes. Use your selection tools to isolate your work area and poly count. Select the transposed cloth brush and use transforms to affect your mesh as if it were cloth. Combine with masking and repositioning your Gizmo 3D to affect your mesh. Moving your mesh into the floor of your scene will simulate collision with the floor plane. Open your Dynamics menu to access additional cloth options. Adjusting the firmness slider will control the size of your folds and wrinkles, simulating different cloth types. Process a cloth gravity simulation by placing your mesh in your scene. Next, open the Dynamics menu and press the Recalc button here to process all visible subtools. Now, press the Run Simulations button to process. Press spacebar to end your simulation. Be sure to try the cloth brushes and the dynamics options on your low to mid poly meshes for creating folds and wrinkles on your sculpt.